Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys is doing great. In this video I will show you how to design 3D logo on your Android smartphone. This video will explain step by step how you can present your logo in 3D formats. And if you want to learn a new skills in graphics, keep on watching my channel for amazing video like this.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Without wasting much of our time, let's get started.
Diko Graphics, skills with creativity.
So this is Pixellab interface. Let's set our size in YouTube channel banner size. So after that, go to your shapes, then pick the rectangle shapes and set your radius to 57 or 61. Let it be in 61. Then you adjust it like this and move it to one corner. After moving it to one corner, then try to click on the try at least to reduce the radius. Look at the edge. I'm reducing the radius to 56. Let's say 57, 58, 59, 50. I reduce the radius to 50. So after that, I'll try to type, then I will move it to one corner to hide it. Then I will merge it together with the shapes so that one part of the shape will cut out. So as you can see, one part of the shape is already cut out. Now I will go to my shapes and bring out the circle, bring out the rectangle, then click on radio to circle it. Then I will position it to cover to mesh with the shape I cut out. I want to give it a black color so that I'll be able to see it clearly that it already rhyme. I will set it very well in such a way that it will form letter B. That is what I'm trying at least to do. After I'm able to achieve that, then I will turn the color back to white. So after turning the color back to white, then I will merge them. I will merge the two together, but let me set and look at it very well. So now it's time to merge. So merge the two together. So after merging the two together, then go to color and give it color green, exactly like this. So then go to your gallery and import the leaf image, as you can see. So rotate the leaf image like this. So reduce the size and place it inside the circle that I merged with the shapes I cut. So position it very well, rotate it very well, exactly like this. After 65, then merge the two together. Then go to erase color and cut out the one part. Good. Now go back to color and give it the same green color. So I want to use double the green color. I go to my gradient, then I will go and use color picker to pick the green color. Good. Then adjust a little bit to my own desire. Use the second key Go back, use the second key, click the second key, then use your color picker to pick the same green color. Let one be lighter and let the second one to be hard. Now use the center percent of the color. Good. Use your hand to adjust the key exactly like this. It's too dark. Let's adjust a little bit. Let's check whether everything is set. This is okay. Now we can click OK and move on. Now reduce the size. Go to the shapes. After, position it very well. Now go to the shape. Click your reduce to be 0, your stroke to be 2017. Is okay. Then position it exactly like this. Position it very well. Here is where we will use our, after position it to the center. Let's see whether it will work. Now move the letter B to the circle. Position it very well. Now this is where we will use our mask. Use your mask. Use movement. Click that four corner arrow to move it. Then you adjust and cut parts. Don't let it touch the line that go up. So adjust like this to cut out some parts of the circle. Exactly like this. Now go to the color and give it white color. Now merge the two together. Reduce the size and go with the brand name. Then write Betty's Organics. Betty's Organics. Initial should be in capital letter. Now select your own desired font. Go to the font and select your desired font. Still thinking on the type of font to use. Okay, fine. I came up with something. Coco. Let's find out. Coco Goose trial font. Good. Now I will give the two different color. One part will be green while the organics will be white. It means Betty's will be green, then organics will maintain the same color. We are almost there. This is the first step. The second step is Photopea. Now the rest is now to adjust it very well. Make sure everything is being centralized. Position it very well. Let it be justified. Then saved with Ultra. Save with Ultra. Saved. Now welcome back to Photopea. This is Photopea interface. This is where we are going to mock up, transform our logo to mockup. Click on File, click on Open, click on Download and locate where your mockup is. This is the wood mockup we are going to use. Now, in using wood mockups, we need extraordinary patience. Everything won't take us more than 10 or 11 minutes. This is their website for www.photopea.com. If you need the app that is not using the data, you can DM. And I have their Pro app as well, or register app, or let me say subscription app, and you can subscribe just once. But I have the one that there is it already being subscribed. I've already subscribed to it. If you need it, you can DM. Here, the first thing that you need to do in dealing with Photopea is to have usable markup. When you have your usable markup, then you must have what we call a set archiver. Then you must have knowledge on how to extract markup. Then the uses will be very simple. You have to be waiting. You have to wait very well. Be patient whenever you are dealing or trying to use wood markup, because it takes a longer time before it will load. When it's done loading, it will also take a longer time to process the work. Sorry? That's why you have to be extraordinary patient here. So as now the work is done, the next thing to do is to go to where our layer is. Double click where your logo is, then the eye icon beside replace me. Now go to the move back, go to the file, go to open and place. Let's select the design we just made with our Pixellab now. Now we have to wait for the design to load. Now use the handle icon that surround the logo to stretch it out. Sorry. So if you are unable to hold or grip it very well, it will be rotating, which is very bad, because one side will be, it won't be justified. One side will move up while the second side will go down, and it will not make the logo position to be balanced. In such case, take your time to balance it and make sure that everything is being justified. Now that we are able to stretch them out, we now go to File and go to Save with Smart Objects. This is where the second patient need to take place. After clicking on Save with Smart Objects, we need to be patient as well, because this is the final stage that will display the result of what we input. And as I said before, if you need a Photopea that work offline, don't hesitate to message me. And if you need a markup, pack of markup, don't hesitate to DM as well. If you need any help, whether on Photopea, on PS Touch, or how to edit picture, or how to edit video, feel free to DM. And for the sake of those people that is having issue with Photopea, make sure that you have the right markup and you know how to extract files. After your extraction, you shouldn't be able to have any issue with it. And at times, some people get it twisted. Yes. So after there are some people that find it difficult to understand how the markups work. You save the markups that relate to your drive doesn't mean it already extracted. When you want to save a markup to your phone, make sure it is being extracted. And if you want to save it on your drive and it is not all the markup that need to be extracted. So after you are able to succeed in getting the right markup, the next thing is to run your design exactly the way I'm running it. The process in transforming your design to either 3D or any this process remain the same if we including the flyer. Just know what smart object is. How can you identify what to click when you get to your layer? So we are still waiting. As we are waiting for the result of what we are processing to be done, don't forget, if you are new to my channel, to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can be the first one to be notified whenever I post a new video like this. Like my video, comment if this video has helped on one way or the other. If you need pack of markups, stock photos, pack of markup that you can find 100 pieces of different markup in it that you can use easily on your Android smartphone. Don't hesitate to DM. And if you want to take one of our classes in mobile graphics, don't hesitate to message me. I will put the link of this markup at the description of this video. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate to download this markup and practice your own. It's just simple because there are two texts to learn here. The first one is how to maintain, or let me say how to retain the light color you give your logo from the Pixellab. Because 3D wood markup will not make it to be colorful at the end of the transformation unless you know how to switch it in your Photopea to make sure that the original color is remain. We are still waiting. As I said, dealing with this kind of mockup, you need extraordinary patience. But everything won't take you more than 12 or 10 minutes when you are mockup this kind of mockup on your Android smartphone. We're almost there. Don't forget, as I said, if you are new to my channel, encourage me by hitting the subscribe button, like, comment and share, and God help you as you do so. Still waiting for our input to transform. Good. The result is done. Close all the options that pop up. After closing them, then let's edit the logo. Go back to your layer instruction, then open it. Close the first layer. Click the EWF in front of the second layer. EWF, which is effects. Then locate where the gradient overlay is, then lock it. I've clicked it, but I have to wait a little longer. And if you don't want much effect on your color, another thing you can do is to click on gradient overlay and effect. Hide the two icon. Hide the two eye beside effect. Good. You can see the results. Then now that we have succeeded in that, so we have learned how to retain the color in Photopea. So you can see I hide the first one, then I hide the gradient overlay. Gradient overlay. Good. Now you can go to your file, go to export, then export as PNG. Good. Then click on saved. Thank for watching my video. Thank for the support. May God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Share to your friend and comment. Likes as well. May God bless you as you do so. Thanks.